All right, a care package came in the mail. This was sent in to the channel by a generous viewer, Mike over at Mike's Radio Repair. Thank you very much. He said he was going to send me a bunch of stuff. I didn't expect such a big package, so yeah, it's a lot of stuff. And we will do an unboxing today. How about that? Do unboxing. He uses good tape. Definitely uses good tape. All right. Now, I'm sure he has lots of experience packaging things up because he's in the business of repairing things. So yeah, look at this. Lovely packaging. Oh man. Okay. Throw this on the ground here. Yeah, this is definitely a nice care package. Lots of transistors and ICs. More ICs. Voice record and playback module. That'd be fun. I'll be in business for a while doing videos. Let's see here. So, oh, nice. Here's a step attenuator. Very, very nice. That will make a great video. Let's see. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. Oh, there we go. Lots more oscillators. 20 megahertz, 32, 16. And then these little funny guys. I have no idea what those are. 200 megahertz, 64K bit, 8K by 8. Some kind of RAM, probably. I've never seen that package before, so that'll make a good video. All right, this was all a precursor to a bunch of things. Oh, nice. Here's I did a video once on kind of a thing like this. Step attenuator. And, oh, look at that little guy. I don't think I've ever seen a capacitor of this type that small. A little dual, let's zoom in a little bit here, see what this guy, this is a beauty. This is a beauty. What is this out of? Some kind of Japanese thing. Interesting. Okay. Keep it going. Yowza. Oh, here's its big brother. Look at that thing. Oh, look at the gears and everything. This is a beauty. Oh, it's got two of them. Cute. It's got, it's got a little fine tune and a big tune. A little fine tune uses the little guy. Oh, I don't have this on camera, sorry. Little fine tune here and the big tune with a bunch of gears and stuff. Oh, that's a beauty. That is a beauty. Wow, okay. And looks like a mixer. RX and L. Okay. Always use mixers. What the heck are these? From Old TI R&D Lab. These are some weird looking transistors. I've never seen transistors like these before. They're like an extended TO5, or like a TO5 and a half. Maybe that's what they are. All right, that'll be a fun video. Another like brand new, almost. And some wonderful pots here. De jour, yeah. These are high quality. Let's see here. If I'm getting this all on camera, I'm sorry if I'm not getting it all on camera. I'm too busy looking at the stuff instead of the viewfinder. It's hard to do videos because half of the time you're looking at the thing and half the time you're looking at the viewfinder. And you can't do both. It's hard to do both. All right. Some kind of power supply. A dual power supply. I mean, it's a switcher into a switcher or something. That's kind of weird. I haven't seen that like before. Or maybe it's just two switchers. Yeah, I think it's just two switchers. AC into this one, AC into that one. Although the output of this one goes into the input of, I don't know. Regulator, 5 volts, 8 volts. And this guy here says 1.2 at 0.6 amp. No, that can't be right. I don't know. I'll play with that one. All right, let's see what else is in here. This one's heavy. Oh, some of these big transistors. These are fun. This one says it's 1800 volts at 97 amps. Yeah, I don't know if I can test that. Oh, this one's even bigger. Oh my God. 295 amps. Yeah, you need a big tranny. There you go. Yeah, it is an IGBT, which is it's a floating gate. What does the I stand for? I forget. Shoot, it'll come to me after I do the video. Anyway, IGBT, it's a floating gate input. So it's got like a FET input to a big bipolar transistor. All right. Isolated gate. There you go. Isolated gate. Everybody's yelling at the screen. Isolated gate. Oh, some nice current monitor things. These are by micro switch. Interesting. So these are current monitors. You put a wire through there, and you have a single turn of this, and then, or you can loop it around too. Get multiple turns. That'll be fun. And oh, another 10 megahertz crystal. See how it does. And some kind of little, probably a voltage standard there. And I think we're down to the last. We're down to the last one here. Oh, okay. These are little transistors. These are like UHF transistors. DC to 1 gigahertz. Yeah, monolithic. Wow, a lot of them. Monolithic MAR 8A plus. They're this little Darlington that runs at 1 gigahertz. High gain, 31.5 dB at 100 megahertz. Yeah, that's pretty zippy. So that'll be fun. Put that on the curve tracer. All right, well, there you go. We have a bountiful cornucopia of parts here. So thank you, Mike. And you'll be seeing all this stuff on future videos.